I was lucky enough to grow up with some Tigray aunties and some Tigray brothers and sisters. And I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with the Martin Luther King quote where he says, "An injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere." And here in New Zealand, we have so much Tigray family, so many Tigray neighbours, as we can see here, from all over the country. So if we as New Zealand are standing by and doing nothing about this, that is negligence to the suffering of the family, of our family here. In 1994, the world stood by as a genocide happened in Rwanda. And the world has said time and again since 1994, we will not let this happen again. So I challenge our parliament, our politicians and our leaders to not let a repeat of 1994 happen, to say enough is enough, to say we will put pressure, whatever the cost, on Abiy Ahmed and on the militias who are causing the violence. I also challenge our government to send over aid to, the number was mentioned before, some hundreds of thousands of people in desperate need of aid. And I say to our government, send that aid over, whatever the cost, send it over. And lastly, I challenge our government to open their doors to the refugees, the displaced people that this conflict has caused. And all of us here together, whether we are of Tigray origin or Pākehā origin or any origin, we must put pressure on the connections that we have of people with political power. We must put pressure on people in Parliament to open our doors to the displaced people in Tigray. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.